Hi everyone, in this video, you will learn what are class constants in PHP object-oriented programming. Class constants are helpful when you need to define fixed data that should not change within a class. A class constant is declared inside a class using the const keyword. Once declared, a constant value cannot be modified. Class constants are case-sensitive, but it's best practice to name them in uppercase letters. To access a constant from outside the class, use the class name followed by the scope resolution operator and then the constant's name. Now we'll look at an example. In this example, the welcome class has a constant welcome_message with a value of welcome to webmastermaze.com. To access this constant from outside this class, we need to use the class name followed by the scope resolution operator and then the constant's name. And you can see the output here. We can also access a constant from within the class using the self keyword, followed by the scope resolution operator and then the constant's name, as shown in this example. Here we are accessing this constant inside the same class by using the self keyword. And here we are calling this method to retrieve the constant value, as you can see in this output. This was all about class constants in PHP OOP. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.